In this quick tutorial, we'll show you how to automate order cancellations on your Shopify store using Mercuri CX. Start by heading to the Templates section in the Mercuri CX dashboard. Then select WhatsApp. Click the Create Template button in the top right corner. If you have multiple WhatsApp accounts connected, you'll be prompted to select the account that should be used to send out WhatsApp messages. In our case, we have single account connected. Now enter the template name, choose the language, and pick a category. Since this template is based on user actions, select Utility. Adding a header to the template is optional, but you can include text or a media header if you like. In the body of the message, craft your message and make it personal using dynamic variables like customer name. Now map each variable to its actual data field. These variables will be automatically replaced with the actual values when the message is sent, ensuring each customer gets a personalized acknowledgement. For the footer, add your brand name to keep it visible and give every message a professional finish. Now click on Add button to add a Contact Us button, and then select Call phone number from the list. Preview your message to check how it'll look to the customer. Once satisfied, click Create Template. Before sending any WhatsApp template, it must be approved by Meta. The approval usually takes between 5 minutes and 24 hours. Here, we can see that our template is still pending approval, so let's wait a few minutes until it gets approved. Our template has been approved. Now let's go ahead and set up the automation. Go to Automations and click on Create Automation. Select Order Cancelled as the automation type, and choose WhatsApp as the channel. If you have more than one number in your WhatsApp account, you'll first need to select the number, and then choose the template under that number. Next, pick your approved WhatsApp template, and click Create Automation. Automate order cancellations and keep your customers informed instantly. Scan the QR code now to book a free demo and get started today.